All right, guys. So with Facebook stories and Instagram stories becoming so popular now, I wanted to give you a brief tutorial on how to take a long video and make it to the proper format so where it can fit your Facebook or Instagram stories. As you know, there's a time limit for each small video clip that you can put onto your stories or for Facebook or Instagram. So if you have a longer video, it's not going to upload properly. So what you do is you can use a third-party tool. So step number one is you want to go record your video or have your video ready in your phone. Step number two, you want to download Story Cutter, and Story Cutter is the app that we're going to be using. Once you go into Story Cutter in the home page, you can select, go into the gallery. Once you go to the gallery, it's going to allow you to choose a video. So let's just say I choose this video here. The next step is they want, to see how long do you want your little segments of videos to be. I like choosing anywhere between 10 to 15 seconds. So you do 15 seconds, you hit select, and what ends up happening is that video starts processing and gets chopped up into 15-second smaller interval videos that are easier to post on your story. And it's pretty quick, honestly. I've used different video editing softwares and chopping software. Sometimes it takes 15, 20 minutes. So once it processes, I'll show you the next step of what it looks like so that you can start uploading it to your Facebook and your Instagram stories. So we're just going to give it a few more minutes here. All right, so once it's done, what I typically do is I exit and then I go to my gallery. Inside of my gallery, I basically look for the stories, and you can see here that it chopped up that video into several different 15-second clips, starting with the first one here. So I would take this one and I would hit the share, and then I will add it to my Facebook story, and I would do the same thing for the rest of them in order so that it makes sense on my story and my Instagram or my Facebook story. So I hope that made sense. If it did, feel free to like, share, or comment. And if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. By the way, guys, if you like social media tips, I have a free course. It's in the description area. Go ahead and click on that course. You'll get my 10 days of leads training. Every day for 10 days, I'll send you a different lead strategy where you can post content on social media that'll attract an audience, that'll help you become an authority and start branding yourself as a leader in your industry. So appreciate you guys, and you guys have an amazing one.